Grab a spoon and try this perfect bowl of soup. It's all black, all flavor, without any salt. The best part about it is you only need a few ingredients, and you probably have them at home. First, we're gonna chop up some carrots, also some celery, and then some red onion. Grab a bowl and set your diced veggies to the side. Next, grab 2 cans of black beans. Make sure you drain them and then take them over to the sink and give them a nice rinse. Add those to a bowl and set those to the side. Now we're gonna cook this soup all in one pot. So all you need to do is heat some olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add all those veggies that we chopped up before. Add some minced garlic and saute for 5 to 6 minutes. Next, we're gonna add that flavor. I'm using that BB salt-free. All flavor, no salt. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Stir those flavors together and then add your rinsed and drained black beans. Then add 4 cups of vegetable broth. Once everything starts to boil, we're gonna reduce the heat and simmer on low for 15 to 20 minutes. This next step is optional, but I like my soup a little thick. So take 2 cups of those black beans, add them to your blending cup, then blend your beans until they're into a nice thick paste, just like this. Return it to your pot and then watch it thicken up your soup, just like magic. All there's left is to grab a bowl and serve yourself. Now you can dress this up how you like. Now this is the fun part. It's time to dress up the soup. I like to add a little avocado, some red onion, some cilantro to keep it a nice vegetarian meal. But if you want, you can add sour cream. You can even add hot sauce. It's your soup, so eat it how you want. This soup is guaranteed to fill you up without bringing you down. That's good, shorty.